Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review M.2 NVMe hard drive enclosure, or in other words the casing for NVMe's. So I got this one to review. It comes from UGREEN. It has basically safe and stable data transfer, tool-free installation, premium aluminium alloy housing. As you have seen probably in my previous video which I did the unboxing for NVMe's can get pretty hot, and that's why you need a kind of alloy housing to basically get rid of the heat which is generated, because this can act as a kind of heat sink as well at the same time. Or there are some boxes which they have a fan. I actually have one of those myself, which is pretty good. But where you have the fan, you need to always clean the fan as well. So every 6 months they can get pretty dusty depending on the environment where they are. So for home, pretty much it could work for like 1 year. Then you need to clean the fan a little bit, then we are good to go. Now let's open up the box and see what we have got inside. So there we go. So pretty well packed as well. So this is the case. That's how it looks like. So many things actually inside the small box. We have a couple of cables, the user manual, information guide, some more things as well. What is this one? Well, product information as well, and you have got the case itself. Pretty small actually. Let's open it up. There we go. Looks like this. Pretty nice. The designs from this brand are pretty good actually. You can just push it from one side and it can be opened up like this. Pretty simple. Then we have got the cables. Let's open that as well. So these plastics are pretty tiny actually, so you cannot just open them simply. You have to really tear them apart like this. That's the USB-C to USB-C cable, and we have got another cable which is actually USB-A, I believe, to USB-C. That's correct. This, the user instruction and hard drive enclosure. So we have got basically different connectors in here, because as you may have seen in my previous video, so NVMe's could be in a different size. Yeah, you have NVMe's with different sizes actually, and that's why these cases are designed to handle multiple sizes. So this is the part which explains that one. So basically this is what we can turn and drag it in order to tune it to our optimum size. There we go. I dragged it and turned it and dragged it. Looks like this. Pretty simple. And I have got one NVMe which I would try it now. So it's this one. Just check this out. This goes from this port in here. You put it back and you basically just push it in from here. There we go. Pretty easy actually. Done. Just like this. And then I would put this one back. Also quite easy actually to put them back just like this. It goes down to this small hole in here. Right. And then we turn it back. And now it's connected. There we go. So pretty stable as well. Oops. So this is actually quite interesting. Let's just remove this one and try it one more time just to better understand how this thing works. From one direction this should go in, and then we can turn it. So not from here, maybe from, we can try on the second hole, which is easier to reach. And I would turn it. So looking at it, actually there's nothing specific about it. Basically you just need to press it down Alright, I don't understand why they are making it so complex on this one. So it's a pretty simple thing. Let's just press it down in here and that's it. From here, we put it in this one. There we go. And press it down. Now it's connected. Still, I believe it's not very fixed. Okay, now I think I pushed it with force inside, so maybe I'm doing something wrong. But now it should be fine. Good. So the big problem that we have in here is that there is a distance actually between the NVMe and also the top part of it. So ideally there should be this part, which is the heatsink removal part. So that should be basically connected to it. In this case, you can get rid of the heat pretty well, which we don't have in this case. Fine, let's just close this. You can actually push it from here, then it comes out. And there's like a click. So look at it. It closes, so it doesn't come out easily. There is also a kind of plastic cover around it, just for the purpose of, oh, there we go. So this is what I was talking about. This is the unit which would help you get rid of the heat on the NVMe. So basically they have it, but very interesting is in here. So this can be connected on the NVMe itself to get rid of the heat. So let's see if there is something about the instruction of that. Step 5. So we need to remove the glue of it. And we need to stick on top of this. And then we stick the other side to the metal. Yeah, that's correct. So we need to remove it from one side and then connect it to the metal from the other side. So I believe this one is a kind of some sort of glue as well itself. Let's check it out. No, it's just actually a kind of plastic, I would say, but it's probably a kind of plastic which can distribute the heat as well. It's not glue. It doesn't stick. It's a little bit sticky, but it's not like something which can stick and cannot be removed. So that's the good thing of it. We just put it in here. And basically, according to this one, we just close it. Done. Exactly. So perfect. So now it fulfilled the requirement which I had. I was struggling a little bit with the heatsink, and now that is also solved. So I would put this one back as well in here, just for the future in case I lose it. There we go. Perfect. And this is a kind of cover, so basically this goes inside it, and the usage of this one is actually because this could get pretty warm, and in this case it won't burn the hand anymore. So it's a kind of acts like a kind of cover. Just a little bit hard to attach it. Done. A bit more and then we are good to go. Perfect. And that's how it can be set up. Hope you liked it. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. I always have new videos coming up on a daily basis. Make sure you stay tuned. See you in the next video. Until then, thank you and bye bye.